For this gentle, low energy class, all you'll really need is a bolster if you have one, a blanket, and some pillows. So basically just grab everything off your bed and bring it over to your practice space. Pause here if you need to collect your things. Otherwise, we'll begin in a propped child's pose. So separate your knees as wide as comfortable, big toes touching behind you. Place your bolster or pillows on the mat going lengthwise with your mat, then pull your props in towards your hips and fold your body over your props so you can rest your right ear down. One more big breath in and big breath out. And without moving anything else, just switch which ear is down on your props, turning your head in the opposite direction, and breathe. Typically in our yoga practice, we breathe in and out through our nose. But if you're feeling congested today, it's totally okay to breathe in and out through your mouth. You'll just need to be extra mindful that this breath doesn't become shallow. So however you're breathing, find a breath that is smooth and deep, as if you were breathing through your whole body. Draw your chin back to center. Press yourself up, and I want you to place this prop behind you, going lengthwise with your mat. And place an extra pillow or two on the back of your bolster, and if you have 2 extra pillows or folded blankets, place them on both sides of your mat outside of your knees. So with your feet flat, knees bent, hips grounded, slowly lie back onto your props and adjust so that your back, your upper back, and the back of your head is supported. Then gently open your knees for butterfly legs supported by your pillows and extra blankets. If it feels good, you can just keep your hands on your stomach or on your hips. Otherwise, open up your arms so that your palms face up and your shoulders roll open. Then just close your eyes and breathe smooth and slow as your inner thighs soften and your chest melts open. Feel your breath move through your whole body. How good it feels to lie with your chest rolling open. Your inner thighs relaxing. And we'll be here for one more minute. One more big breath in and big breath out. Use the strength of your core and even your hands if you'd like to draw your knees back together. Then using your hands, gently roll your body onto one side, off of your prop into a fetal position. Press yourself up to seated and move your props off towards the side of your mat. Then come to lie down on your back. From your back, bring your right knee towards your chest and clasp your fingers underneath your right shin or right thigh. With your left leg long down on the mat, take a few deep breaths deep into your belly, into your lower back, using this breath to help massage your internal organs and improve digestion. Adding on, extend your right arm straight out from your side, then take a big inhale to turn your chin to the right. As you exhale, draw your right knee across your body for a supine spinal twist. There's no need to force yourself in this twist. Once you're there, just let go and use your deep breath to soften your torso. Slowly melt tension wherever you feel it. And we'll be here for a little bit of time, so just relax, breathe, and rest. Take one more big breath in and big breath out. Draw your navel in towards your spine. Curl your right arm back in and come back to center. Switch legs. Extend your right leg long down on the mat as you pull your left knee in. And just hold on to your left shin or your left thigh, taking a few deep breaths into your lower belly, into your lower back, using this breath to help massage and stimulate digestion. Feel your belly pressing into your thigh. Feel sensation in your lower back. Feel the inflation and deflation of your whole torso. Adding on, extend your left arm straight out from your side. Inhale to turn your chin to the left, and exhale, draw your left knee across your body. Settle into your twist, knowing that it takes time to soften into place. So release any forcing or pulling and just relax. Draw your navel in and come back to center. Then place your feet flat on the mat with your knees bent. Lift your hips up into a bridge pose and slide your bolster, or maybe a couple of pillows, underneath your hips as a support. And you're welcome to just lower your hips down onto your bolster. You're also welcome to let your knees fall open into a butterfly, or even extend your legs long down onto the mat, letting your feet fall open. Take whatever feels best today. And with your eyes gently closed, let your shoulders roll open. Observe the rise and fall of your belly. And deepen your breath. Each exhale, an opportunity to relax deeper into place. We're here for one more minute. Just breathe. Take a big breath in, big breath out. One at a time, place your feet flat on your mat. And with your bolster still underneath your hips, gently pull your knees into your chest for a propped version of full wind pose. Even though your body is small and compact in this posture, breathe deep. And feel your lower back relaxing, tension slowly releasing. Even your hip flexors are beginning to soften as your knees melt down towards your chest. And we're here for just a few more deep breaths. Even your eyelids soften, your jaw can relax. Mindfully, begin to extend your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Lower back still supported by your prop. This is a propped variation of legs up the wall. Appreciate the sensation as the fluid drains from your legs, and it might feel good to even wiggle around your toes, roll out your ankles. This very gentle inversion does so many good things for your body, especially when you need a little assistance with getting your blood flowing and fluids moving. So allow your legs to drain for just a few more deep breaths. Then one at a time, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the mat, knees bent. Lift your hips up and use your hands to push your bolster further down towards your ankles so that you can place your lower back down onto your mat. And your knees are now supported by your prop. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open so your legs are supported in this butterfly position. Take one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, and with your eyes gently closed, take a few deep breaths. Relax. Slow down. And just rest for a few more smooth, deep breaths. Take one more big breath in and big breath out. Draw your navel in towards your spine and gently pull your knees together. Use your heels to push your bolster off towards the side or the front of your mat, and then roll over onto one side into a fetal position. Using your hands, press yourself up to seated, and bring your hands together at heart center. For the rest of the day today, instead of telling yourself, I'm sick, I'm stuffy, I'm exhausted, I'm miserable, tell yourself, I'm healing. Because your subconscious is always listening. Nourish your soul. Namaste.